Amazon is improving its parental control panel to allow parents to adjust free time settings, such as screen time limits, curfews before bedtime, whitelisted applications and much more from any web browser. Previously, those controls could only be changed from the Fire tablet of the current Children's Edition. Now it can be accessed and updated from any smartphone or PC to which a parent has access. They can also enable or disable the web browser remotely. Parent Dashboard allows parents to remotely control content, games, videos, e-books, etc. that their children use in the company's children-oriented tablets. It provides daily, weekly and monthly activity reports, which help parents feel confident about what their children see and how they spend their time in front of the screen without having to constantly look over their shoulder. The Parent Dashboard is available exclusively to parents who have a Fire 7 Kids or Fire 8 Kids edition that is currently enrolled in the company's FreeTime service, which provides access to 15,000 applications, games, videos and educational content selected from the likes of PBS, Disney and Nickelodeon. 1 year of FreeTime Unlimited is included with each tablet purchase. After that, they are $2.99 per month.